Hello my friend, this is automatic mascara filling and tamping machine. Now I'm gonna introduce this machine for you. So after you get this machine, you need to connect with your factory power. Right, this is with the plug. You need to connect with your factory power and its air source. Here you need to connect with your factory air source. Okay. And this is the all working station. This is the sensor to test your bottle. Okay. And this is the filling nozzle. This is the inner plug filling. This vibration and tongue. And this is brush vibration. It will fit into your bottle automatically. And this is mechanical hand for tamping. And then it will come out from here automatically. Okay. And this is the hopper. You can see there have some handle equipped on the cover. So this tool is for lock the cover or open it. You can add your products into the hopper, and there has a black pipe to add the pressure into the hopper to press your mascara for filling. So if you want to add the pressure into the hopper, you need to put this part up like that to open it. Okay. And this is the pressure gauge to show the pressure into the hopper. And also we will dismantle these two vibration plants. So when you get this machine, you need to connect these two parts. So for this one, connects with the air source right here for this trunk. And they also have two plugs. You need to connect it. And that one is also connect with the plug for this tube and the air source. Connect here. And the important thing, you need to make sure this trunk is keep the same level with this part. Otherwise, it will affect the fitting. And this one is the same, keep the same level. Okay, and also they have two cables you need to connect it. Like there have some screw, you need to loosen it, then put this cable in and plug it. Okay. This is the screen control, so you can choose the language you need from here. This is the parameter page. As you only had one size bottle, so there have many parameters you no need change, but you need to pay attention. There have some points, like for example this start filling speed, the final filling speed, and the suction volume, the bottle mouth stop time. Okay. If your products with high viscosity, you need to change this parameter. Start filling speed, final filling speed, and the suction volume, the bottle mouth stop time. For example, you can use this parameter to test it. But if you find the filling not with high accuracy, you can change the parameter into like 580. This final filling speed only can send like the start filling speed or less than start filling speed. It cannot more than start filling speed. Okay, and this suction volume you can change like 0.8 and this one 0.2. Okay, this suction volume change into the big parameter. This stop time will change more longer. Like if you change 0.9, this one need to change 0.25 second. Okay, and other you no need to change. And here you can set the filling volume. You need, for example, 5 milliliter or 10 milliliter to filling. Okay, and this is the output setting. That means if you set like 1000 pieces, when the production arrival this pieces, or this function will stop automatically. And also you can test it in the first time. For example, you add like 10 liter or 20 liter into this hopper, then you can calculate how many pieces you can fill in. Like for example, 10 liter material can fill like 1,500 pieces. Then you set it. When this filling speed arrival, this parameter you set, this machine will start automatically. Then you can open it to add the material in this hopper again. But if you want to open this cover, you need to put this part out like that to release the pressure, then turn on, then open this paddle to open the cover. Okay, and this is the output counting. That means the production per bench, and this is the daily output counting. That means this machine work in like 8 hours. The production like that will show like that. Okay, and you also can point this green button to recover the coating. And they have a turntable speed you can set in from here. Like for example, if at the beginning you can set the speed more slower, like 50 or 45 or 40. Okay, when you're familiar with this machine, you can adjust this turntable speed more faster, like 60 or 70. Okay, it's based on you. And this is all for this page. And the next is brush setting. So as you only had one brush like that, the parameter we had set it already, so you don't need to change this parameter. And then it's the capping. Capping is for this one, the mechanical tank. You can only change the camping torque like that one. Okay, if you found the camping is not tightened, you can change this parameter into 0.6 or 0.7 is more bigger. The power is more bigger, then you can make sure your clamping is more tightened. Okay. And next is the menu option. So this is all this working station menu operation. So you can use this page function to test each working station. And this is alarm screen. You can show the problem when the machine stops. You will know how to fix this. Okay, so that's all for this machine. We changed the turntable speed into 40 to test this machine to show you.